In this video, I'll show you how to add borders to all cells in Google Sheets. First, select all cells in the sheet. Press Ctrl plus A if you're on Windows or a Chromebook, or Command plus A if you're on a Mac. All the cells in your entire sheet will be highlighted with a blue or purple selection overlay. Now look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. Find the Borders icon. It looks like a square divided into 4 parts, like a small 2x2 grid. Click on it. A menu will appear with border options. Click on All Borders. Borders will now appear around every single cell in your sheet. The change is instant, and Google Sheets auto-saves automatically. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If you want to customize your borders before applying them, open the Borders menu again. You'll see a color icon that looks like a pencil. Click it to choose a border color from the palette. You'll also see a style icon showing a dashed line. Click that to pick from thin, medium, or thick borders, or dashed and dotted styles. Choose your color and style first, then click All Borders to apply them. Also, this method works for any cell selection. If you only want borders on a specific range instead of the whole sheet, just select that range first, then follow the same steps. The borders will apply only to the cells you've selected. Thanks for watching.